What's up, traders? This is Mish from the Opinicus team. Today I'll be showing you guys the fastest way to execute options in TradeStation. First thing you want to do is go into apps here at the top, select OptionStation Pro and open that. Then you want to go into File, New Workspace, then Apps again, and then you want to open up Matrix here. Once that loads, you want to go back into Apps and open up Trade Manager and Radar Screen. Once they load, go ahead and adjust them to fit your screen. Now that we have them fitted to the screen, I'll go ahead and explain what everything is. So we have the radar screen. This will hold all of our options. Then the matrix, this will be used to actually execute the options, and the trade manager will show your orders as they are getting filled, canceled, or are pending. So to start off, you want to go into the OptionStation Pro and get your options. So I'm going to look up the QQQ and get some at the money calls. Just copy and paste whatever strike you like, and then paste it into radar screen. So now I have SPY calls and Q calls. Now we want to link the radar screen and the matrix together via this here. So you could select any color. I just clicked the default, which is green. So now that these are linked together, we should have QQQ and SPY pop up in the matrix as they are doing now. So see, I clicked on SPY, it pops up right here. I click on QQQ, it pops up right here, and it's ready to execute. So now is the actual fun part of executing the options. So first thing you want to do is make sure your desired option is in the matrix by selecting it. I clicked on the Qs, now they're loaded in there. Then you want to click on the matrix to make sure the window is selected, and now you can buy via this blue area or sell in the red. So if I want to join the bids, I'm gonna get in with these guys here, but if I want to quickly buy, I'm gonna buy from the closest ask, which is right here. So I'm gonna click it, and instantaneously, as you see, it filled me for some QQQs. Now if I want to sell, same thing, I could either sell on the bid to these guys and instantly sold, or I could, once again, I could bid in there at at my desired price. So as you can see, in the trade manager, the order is pending. At the same time, I can cancel it right here, and then it just shows canceled. Now all that was done with just one contract. If you want to adjust your contract quantity, you just go in here under quantity, and you could type in the desired amount of contracts. You could type in 500, 5,000, doesn't matter, or you could adjust them here via these arrows. Or you could select preset contracts like I have here, 1, 2, and 3. You could adjust these presets by right-clicking on this area and click Customize Quantity Options, and then you could put any amount of presets. So you could put 10,000 contracts if you'd like. So see, now I have a preset for 10,000 contracts. If I click that, boom, and I could click my 3 contract preset, and there's that. Now another way to execute options here is through the dollar amount. If you click on the pound sign, it's going to change to the dollar amount. So this will allow you to buy contracts per dollar quantity. So let's say if you have a $5,000 account and you only want $1,000 worth of contracts, but you don't want to sit there and count out how many contracts that could afford you, you just type in 1,000 and the matrix will automatically fill you for what you could afford. So right now I have 1,000. Let's try and buy some contracts here at the ask. So we got filled for 4 contracts at 212. And also here you can monitor your position by clicking on the position tab. And as you can see, we have 4 contracts. Now I could sell $500 worth of these contracts, So I'll go ahead and put an offer out, and we're waiting. One got filled. See, we got one of these filled, one is still sitting. Now I am on simulator, so the data is going to be delayed. If this was a live account, it would happen really quick. And here you go, the second order filled. So I still got half of my position, I believe. Yes, I still have 2 of my contracts. So what I could do with these is I could pretty much offer them out just per quantity. So I'm going to select one. I'm going to offer them out one by one at 250, and scroll up, and I want to offer another one out for 275. That way, as the price crawls up and these contracts gain in value, I'm going to get hit at 150 or 250, I'm sorry, and then my last one is going to get hit at 275. That way I have locked some of my gains, but I also have half of my position as runners. Now you could cancel these orders if you decide to do so. See, they're sitting there pending. You could just cancel them by clicking cancel all. And also, one main thing, in order for all this to function seamlessly, you need to go into settings and order entry preferences, go into options, validations and confirmations, and uncheck all of this stuff. Also, for the trading part of this, you could go in here and you could adjust the contract amount, the increments. So I have it selected in 1 increment, so every time I hit the arrow up or down, it's going to change by 1. Now I could change this to 1,000 if I want to, but I'll keep it at 1. And the same thing for the dollar amount per trade. So it's in $100 increments, and the starting amount when I log in is 1,000. So I could change, or 10,000. So I could change this to be 1,000, and my increments will be in 500s. So pretty much, if I click on the dollar sign, it automatically sets me at $1,000 per position, and my increments are in 500s. Aside from using hotkeys, this would be the fastest way to trade options in TradeStation and the most effective in my opinion. However, if you would like to learn how to set up hotkeys and use those to place your orders, go ahead and check out our next video. Thank you guys.